Imagine a world where time itself seems to stretch and bend, defying the familiar rhythms we know on Earth. That world is Venus, the second planet from the Sun, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition. But beneath the thick, toxic clouds and the blazing temperatures, Venus reveals one of the most fascinating quirks in our solar system. A single day on Venus is longer than its entire year. On Earth, we mark a day by the time it takes our planet to complete one full rotation on its axis, 24 hours. Our year is defined by the time it takes to orbit the Sun, about 365 days. But on Venus, the rules are very different. Venus rotates extremely slowly, taking a staggering 243 Earth days to spin once on its axis. In contrast, the planet completes its journey around the Sun in just 225 Earth days. This means that before Venus finishes a single rotation, it has already completed a full orbit around the Sun, making a Venusian day longer than a Venusian year. Why does this happen? The answer lies in the unique and mysterious motions of Venus. Unlike most planets in the solar system, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to its orbit. If you could stand on its surface, though you'd need protection from crushing atmospheric pressure and temperatures hot enough to melt lead, you'd see the Sun rise in the west and set in the east. This retrograde rotation slows things down even more. The slow spin is a puzzle scientists are still trying to solve. Some believe that gravitational interactions with the Sun, or even catastrophic impacts billions of years ago, might have altered Venus's rotation. This strange movement has striking effects on the planet's environment. With such a slow rotation, a single day on Venus, sunrise to sunrise, lasts about 117 Earth days. This is because as Venus rotates backward, the movement partially cancels out its orbital motion, making the period between two sunrises shorter than the actual rotation period. Still, the Sun would linger in the sky for months at a time, casting its dim, filtered light through the planet's thick clouds of sulfuric acid. Venus's atmosphere is another marvel. Dense and composed mostly of carbon dioxide, it creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and pushing surface temperatures to over 460 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of Mercury, even though Venus is farther from the Sun. The crushing pressure at the surface is about 92 times greater than Earth's, similar to being 900 meters underwater. Combined with the slow rotation, this leads to minimal temperature variation between day and night. On Venus, the relentless heat is constant, and the thick clouds ensure that hardly any sunlight reaches the surface. For centuries, Venus was shrouded in mystery. Early astronomers thought its clouds might hide lush jungles or vast oceans, but as our technology improved, we discovered a world more alien than we'd imagined. Probes sent by NASA and the Soviet Union in the 20th century revealed the planet's harsh conditions and its unusual rotation. Venus' strange day and year remind us how diverse and surprising our solar system can be. It's a world where time stretches and loops in unexpected ways, challenging our assumptions about how planets behave. As we continue to explore our neighboring worlds, Venus stands as a testament to the wonders waiting to be discovered, inviting us to imagine what it would be like to experience time on a planet where a day outlasts a year.